Hi to everyone, and today we will ask ChatGPT what is Halper. So, what is Halper? Hi. Halper is an AI business manager designed for solopreneurs and small businesses. It's not just another chatbot or assistant. Halper actually manages the daily operations that usually take up hours of manual work. Here's what that means in practice. Smart communication. Halper connects to your WhatsApp, Instagram, and other channels to automatically handle messages, schedule appointments, send reminders, and follow up with clients, all in your tone and language. Okay. Automated organization. It keeps your calendar synced, prevents double bookings, and ensures you never miss a client again. You can view everything in one simple dashboard. Business management. Halper generates monthly reports, tracks leads, manages invoices on the Pro plan, and gives you insights into what's working and where you can grow. Oh, built for real people. Cute. It's made for beauty pros, fitness coaches, consultants, cleaners, photographers, anyone who's doing it all themselves and needs an extra set of virtual hands. You can learn more or try it out at halper.ai. Okay, we will. Would you like me to summarize how it compares to other tools like CRMs or AI assistants? Yes, show and sheet. So what we can see now. Feature comparison. Traditional CRM versus Halper. Primary focus. Traditional CRMs center on data storage, pipeline management, and static client records. And Halper focuses on end-to-end business operations, including messaging, bookings, invoicing, and analytics. Looks interesting. Communication channels. Traditional CRMs are often limited to email and internal notes. And Halper supports multi-channel communication through WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger with built-in chat automation. Okay? Automation of routine tasks. Traditional CRMS require setup and often rely on multiple fragmented tools. Halper is built to handle messaging, scheduling, reminders, and follow-ups, client booking, and scheduling. Traditional systems often depend on separate booking tools. Halper integrates booking, rescheduling, and calendar sync directly in the platform, analytics, and dashboards. Traditional CRMs focus on pipeline metrics, deals, and sales stages. Halper offers real-time operations and business performance analytics, including bookings, revenue, and client activity. Setup and ease of use. Halper is designed for fast setup and for solopreneurs with a minimal tech learning curve. Human tone and personalization. Halper's AI learns your tone, adapts to your style, and keeps client communication human feeling, cost and tool consolidation. Halper is one unified AI business manager platform, meaning fewer separate tools are needed. Okay, thanks ChatGPT. What is Halper is clear, and even more.